This is our third video on expanding brackets, and this set of brackets we're expanding x minus 5, x minus 2. So we've got two sets of negatives in this question, so we're going to have to be careful when we multiply it out. The first thing we're going to multiply is our x by x, and as we've seen from the other two questions, that gives us x squared. Now I'm multiplying x by minus 2. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. Now we're going to do the inner. For the inner, we're going to multiply minus 5 by x. Minus 5 by x gives us minus 5x. So we've done the inner. Now we're going to look at the last. The last thing we've got is minus 5 and minus 2. Got to be careful here because we're multiplying a negative number by a negative number, and we know a minus times a minus is a plus. So minus 5 times 2 will give plus 10. We've expanded the bracket. Now what we've got to do is simplify. So I'm left with x squared minus 2x take away 5x. Well, that's going to be minus 7x. And I've got plus 10 at the end. So my answer is x squared minus 7x plus 10. Now have a look at the questions based on this kind of expanding bracket before we move on to the ones where we've got coefficients or numbers in front of the x in the brackets.